how to add mentioned story on Instagram on the new update. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add mentioned story in Instagram on the new update, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if someone has basically mentioned you in a particular story and that you would like to reshare that story, it's very simple. When you open up Instagram, you'll most likely find it within the DMs tab that person has mentioned you in the story. So if you want to reshare this to your own story, all you have to do is right here, you'll find this option known as add to your story option. Again, you can just tap on it directly and it will directly load it up on your own story. Or what you can also do is you can just open up that story. When you open up that story, again you'll find an option called add to your story, and when you tap on that link, you'll be able to add it directly to your story. And this way you should be able to go here and then basically add mentioned story on Instagram in new update. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.